Why does BMW still use inline-6, while other brands like Audi, Mercedes, and Nissan stick to V6s? Are they onto something? Let me explain. V6 engines are known for shorter, more compact build. They fit easier in tight engine bays. Most brands move to them because they're more flexible across models. Inline-6 engines, on the other hand, are longer. It is inherently balanced. It doesn't need complex balancing like a V6 does. It also revs cleaner and delivers more linear power band. Still, most brands chose the V6. It is easier, lighter, and cheaper. So why does BMW actually go with inline-6? It's because they don't build cars around convenience. They build around driving feel, and because they make rear-wheel drive cars, inline-6 has proper space.